Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to fetch list of opportunity record through Apex class. So in the last lesson, we have to fetch list of opportunity record using Apex class method and doing function. In this lesson, we will be see how to fetch the opportunity record based on the record ID. So here I will call the component to the record detail page of opportunity. So here we will be display the current record of opportunity based on the record ID. So last lesson we have called the component into the custom application. In this lesson, we will be call this component into the record detail page of opportunity and display the current record of opportunity record based on the record ID. So let's jump to the my Salesforce org. So this component I created previous lesson. So in this component I have display all of the opportunity record. So in the Apex class method, we will be use a parameter to get the current record of opportunity. So here I will pass a parameter string record ID. This record ID will be passed here from opportunity where ID equal to colon and pass the parameter. So here I am passing the parameter ID equal to colon. After colon, that means it is a parameter. Then save the file. File has been saved. Then this parameter will be used in the JavaScript. So this is the component that I have created previously. So I will using same component to get the current record of opportunity. So here I am getting the method name. Then after I will get the record ID of Apex class method. This method of record ID will pass to the JavaScript here. So action dot I will set parameter set params in the curly bracket. The parameter is record ID in the double quote comma colon and component dot get v dot record ID. Then action dot set callback. Here I am passing the response and then get the variable state. If response get a state, if a state is equal to success, then I am storing the get return value into this variable result, and this result storing in the opportunity list. So this is the attribute list of attribute where I am storing the result value. So in the HTML file, we need to pass first interface. So in the interface, I will use a record ID. So ID interface. So there is a implement, and in the implement, I am passing the Flexi page available for record home page and force colon has record ID. This is a mandatory. So if you are fetching the current record ID and display the current record in the Lightning Aura component, you must add the implement in the top of the Aura component. There is a force colon has record ID. This has record ID will get the current record of object. So here I am adding the implement Highest record ID, and based on the highest record ID, I am fetching the current record of opportunity. Rest of the things are same. So here is the lightning card where I am providing the title. This is the table head and this is the table body. This opportunity list store the result, get return value. Get return value come from Apex class method. This Apex class method return the record based on the this record ID. This record ID I am passing to the Excel set parameter, and this is the record ID coming from Apex class method, and here is the component.get v.record ID. This will return a current record of ID. And rest of the things are same. Now I am saving the file. So I am getting error. So in the set parameters, the record ID component.get, there is no colon here. Colon will be passed on the end of the function. So remove the colon from here, then save. So now I am able to save the file. Controller has been already saved. Now I am saving to the component. So component has been saved. Now this component will be called on the opportunity record. So go to the sales app and there is an opportunity. Open any of the opportunity. Now edit the page. Now I am calling this component to top of the right side. So my component name is opportunity CMP. Search here. This is my opportunity CMP component. Select, drag and drop here. Save. Layout has been saved. Then go back. And here you can see the current record of opportunity display in the table. So name is the TechW3 Web. This is the name. Close date. It is a close date 23/6. And this is a stage name qualification. This is stage name. So I am fetching the current record of opportunity based on this record ID. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to fetch the current record of opportunity based on the record ID, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel TechW3 Way. Thank you.